Are you looking for a pre-built gaming PC under $1,500? In this video, I will show you the best pre-built gaming PC under $1,500 in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is optimized for gaming and is also VR ready. The Intel CPU and high-performance GPU gives the computer the raw power it needs to function at a high level. Added on, the high-speed memory and large hard drive gives the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR all the space needed to only focus on gaming. This PC has an Intel Core i5-10400F 2.9 GHz 6-core and a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB video card. The combination of GeForce GTX GPUs and NVIDIA game-ready drivers deliver the fast performance and low latency required for an amazing gaming experience. The fourth product on the list is the Skytech Blaze II. The Skytech Blaze II packs a powerful punch in such a small footprint. Featuring NVIDIA's latest top-tier Super Series graphics, the RTX 2060 Super renders incredibly realistic graphics thanks to real-time ray tracing ability. Ryzen 2700 offers some of the best multi-processing per dollar values in gaming to shorten load times. Easily capable of HD+, 4K and VR gaming. TX graphics and Ryzen 7 processing are a perfectly optimized match for your favorite streaming apps, like OBS, to provide maximum stable performance on your live stream. The third product on the list is the CyberpowerPC Gamer Supreme Liquid. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Supreme features monstrous processing power combined with the latest and greatest graphics cards to handle even the most demanding games on the market. The Gamer Supreme series looks as stunning as it performs, as all these high-end components are packaged in a striking, sleek chassis. AMD's Ryzen 3000 series processors, the most advanced desktop processors in the world, don't just perform, they are designed to win. Higher speeds, more memory, and wider bandwidth than the previous generation. It features a liquid cooling solution which offers solid cooling performance equipped with 120mm aluminum radiator and a fourth-generation integrated pump and copper plate. This liquid cooler is permanently sealed to prevent evaporation and leakage. The second product on the list is the Skytech Shadow. Darkness reigns supreme, and the next-generation Shadow is perfectly optimized for 1080p gaming. With Intel's 9th Gen Core i5 CPUs and NVIDIA 16 series graphics, you get speed and power that dominates the most popular games with buttery smooth frame rates. Blazing fast 3000 MHz memory and 500 GB SSD hard drive give you the speed and space packed in an incredible high-value gaming rig. Tackle demanding games with the 9th Gen Intel Core i5 processor inside. Experience the breakthrough graphics performance of the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture with the GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card. The first product on the list is the Skytech Archangel. The latest evolution of Archangel is perfectly optimized for 1080p gaming. Rocking AMD's latest Ryzen 5 3rd Gen CPUs and NVIDIA 16 series graphics, you get speed and power that dominates the most popular games with buttery smooth frame rates. Blazing fast 3000 MHz memory and 500 GB SSD hard drive give you the speed and space packed in an incredible high-value gaming rig. It also has a NVIDIA GTX 1660 graphics card. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.